What do you have in there? You're so gentle and careful. Are you trying to make it so that Auntie Jen can rewrap a gift? You're just taking it. You know somehow it's for you. Oh, how do you know? What is that? You're so gentle with the way you open gifts. Little pieces of paper, one little piece at a time. Would you like a little help? Let me help you. Wow. Look at that. Look at. We can give this back to Auntie Jen. Wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes.